look who's back. It's DCS right here. Guys, it has really been such a dragful week and really I couldn't sustain it. And yup, I'll be refreshing you in your weekends with my intros or my information or whatever you like the most. Well, so yep guys, coming up to today's video, over here I have is an extremely cool Hot Wheel. It's got 9 out of 10 in Rod Squad. It has come up good in Track Stars, and this car is none other than the 69 Dodge Charger 500, guys. It's a legit amazing car. Like, just look at it. It's just that blue paint, kind of metallic, but still it's not completely metallic. Well, it's kind of metallic. Well guys, this car is so damn cool, guys. Like, I'm just gonna leave it up to that until we unbox and take a around look. Well, what was the last week's video describing it? It was the Lamborghini Gallardo LP560/4. That was a legit cool car, guys, and now it's sitting in my collection. Well, it's quite smaller than the Kinsmart, but still, after all, it's a Gallardo. So, yep, guys, yep, you know the drill. First for the unboxing, and then let's go for the information, guys. And before we go for the unboxing, I just wanted to say, all the people who are thinking that what happened to my Traxxas video, guys, it'll be coming soon. Well, I'm just quite in a packed situation right now, so I'm not able to make this, but don't worry, it'll be coming up, guys. So, yep. Why don't we head on to the unboxing of today? Okay guys, so here we have got this 69 Dodge Charger 500 out of the box, and guys, look at it. It's so damn cool. It's got that full chrome kind of splashed out at the headlamps and also the bumper. It's just like continued from the bumper to the headlamps and the vents too. Well, the blue kind of, the body shine, guys. The metallic blue kind, it's really cool. Like, it's not completely metallic, but still it is quite cool. And guys, at the sides, you haven't got much. You have got the stock wheels, and you've got a bit of decals over here on the doors holders, and yup, you've got the full chrome in bottom kind, and yep, you've got the blacked out interior, the transparent glass, guys. It's really a thing to admire. And yep, at the rear you haven't got much. Like, the tail lamps are quite not seen, but you've got the exhaust, guys. It's quite wide, but still that's also chrome, so it's not pretty much visible. So yup, what else can I say about this car, guys? It's legit cool. Like, I have nothing else to say. So yeah, why don't we move on to the information, guys? That's pretty much interesting things about this car, so let's move on to it. Okay guys, so yup, it's time to know something about this 69 Dodge Charger 500 right here. So yup, here's the information one. Why don't we start off with the production, guys? The production actually began in 1968, and yup, it sadly ended up in 1970, guys. So the 70 Charger was the last, and then came up the 2016 Charger, which had 4 doors on it, which many people really hated. And yup, time about the body style, guys. The body style is actually a 2-door coupe, and yup, going up to the engine. The engine is actually a 7-liter V8, which is really big, guys, and it's a rear-wheel drive, obviously, muscle car segment. Well, time about the transmission, guys. The transmission is actually a 3-speed automatic, or you can go for a 4-speed manual, which I prefer. The best is the 4-speed manual. Well, time about the horsepower, guys. This car packs up to 425 brake horsepower. It's actually close to 500, but not so much close to. Well, time about the length, guys. This car's length is 5,283 millimeters, guys, and time about the width. The width is actually 1,948 millimeters. Well, time about the 0-60 time, the second best part, it does it in 5 seconds flat, which is legit amazing, guys. And yup, time about the top speed. All the car enthusiasts gather up here. The top speed of this car is 220 kilometers per hour, which is 136 miles per hour, guys. It's quite slow in that, but still can't deny the fact that the 0-60 is really good. Well, time about the price, guys. This car ranges up to $45,000 to $90,000. I think you get the automatic in $45,000 range. Well, yup, as I've ended up the information, it's time for one thing, the special facts. So let's go for it. So yep guys, let's see what it tells here. It's quite a big one though. So yep, here it tells that the Charger 500 was a limited run model created to be more aerodynamic. To achieve this, the rear window was mounted flush with the roof and the pillars, guys. So yup, as I've said in the details and like the looks of the car, it's quite aerodynamic compared to all the other all the other Chargers. Well, Yup, guys. So, yup, guys, as I've ended up all the things, you know what to do. Just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share to all your friends and family. I'll see you all next week, guys, with another car. So, yup. And if you have any other questions or you want me to do anything with my video edits, just comment it down below. I'll see you all next week, guys. Bye-bye.